Umboniso 3, scene 3. Thobeka ubuza unina uMadongwe. Thobeka asks her mother Madongwe ngotyelelo about the visit lwamahlubi of the Amahlubi. Akayiqondi into, she cannot understand the business of yokuvunywa kuka Guguletu, of the accepting of Guguletu. Hina mama, kuthiweni kwabaya bantu? Hey, Mom, what was said to those people? Bebeze kwenza ntoni kakade? What did they actually come to do? Kuba ndibone, because literally I was seen, but ndibuzwa, I was asked ukuba ndiyabazi na. I was asked if I know them. Uyaphosisa, uyabazi. You are fibbing. You know them. Ungathini ukuthi kuthiweni? How can you say, or how can you ask what was said? Kanti akuyazi into ebebeze kuyenza. Don't you know what they actually came for? What they came to do? Inene mama, honestly, truly, andazi tu ngabaya bantu. I have no knowledge, I have no idea about them, I know nothing about these people. Bebeze kwenza ntoni ke khona? What did they actually come to do here? Bebeze kucela wena, they came to propose to you. Bekucelela on behalf of, proposing on behalf of umfana kaZwilakhe, the son of Zwilakhe, Guguletu. Kunjalo nje, and kuvunyiwe. Agreement was reached. You lo mntu andifane ndithethe nokuthetha oku naye. This person andifane ndithethe nokuthetha oku naye. I have never even spoken to him. Hayi, xoleleni Dongwe. No, please forgive me. I'm sorry, Dongwe. Andinako ukwendela emntwini ndingazani naye. I cannot get married to a person ndingazani naye whom I do not know. Hayi, uchitha nje ixesha lakho mntanam. No, you are just wasting your time, mntanam, my child. Uyaya kwa Zwilakhe. You are going to Zwilakhe's place. Musa ukufuna ukuphatha uphethwe. Don't try to be in charge whilst others are in charge of you. Don't you try and call all the shots whilst you are still a child. Ninjalo, kanene, bantwana beli xesha. You children of today are like that. Kanti mama, and yet mama, niboyilumkele into xa niyenza. You must be careful of what you are doing. Nathi bantwana niboyimamela into esiyithethayo. And as far as we children are concerned, you ought to listen to what we say. Khawuncede Dongwe, please Dongwe. Uxelele otata, tell the family, tell the elders, ukuba mna andiyifuni yonke lento, that I do not want to have anything to do with this. Ndiyayala, I refuse. Kutheni wena ungabaxeleli nje? And why do you not tell them? Ndiyaboyika, I'm scared of them. Namke ndiyaboyika, and so I am also scared of them, me too. Oh, inene ngumhlola. Oh, indeed, ngumhlola. This is, I suppose, an evil omen. Eqhwaba izandla. and she claps her hands together.